Cherokee County in north central northwestern Dawson County in north central Georgia.
Gordon. No, that's YouTube. Here we go.
Moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gust. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rome, Canton, Cartersville, Calhoun, Jasper, Adamsville, Harley, Emerson, Cave Spring, White, Waleska, Kingston, Brizaka, Plainville, Taylorsville, Talking Rock.
That is KXI-22, correct?
For your protection, move to an interior room on
I don't even know.
the floor of a building.
Yep, that is.
Damage, hail or flooding. Wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466. At 8 p.m. in Atlanta, it was cloudy.
What the heck?
71 degrees, dew point 60. Wind south at 40.
Oh, Wave's gonna go.
Coming now, calling my lead.
Northwestern Cherokee County in north central Georgia, southwestern Gilmer County in north central Georgia, southeastern Floyd County in northwestern Georgia, northwestern Dawson County in north central Georgia, Gordon County in northwestern Georgia, Pickens County in north central Georgia, Bartow County in northwestern Georgia.
Don, send me the audio for a relay. I need to get it on WGP.
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Calhoun to Shannon to near Lindale, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour.
Oh my god, this
That's just Birmingham, alright.
Sighting and trees. Locations intended include Rome, Canton, Cartersville, Calhoun, Jasper, Emerson, Cave Spring, White, Waleska, Kingston, Brizaka, Plainville, Taylorsville, Talking Rock, Cheyenne, Cassville, Fairmount, and Ranger. For your protection,
Did the thing get this? It didn't. Ew. It's terrible.
until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.
Where the heck did that come? Alright. Oh, thank you. That's perfect.
The radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from
That one's...
Movement was east at 55 miles per hour. Signal Mountain, Rossville, wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated easy. Signal Mountain pack, long gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around.
Oh, no. That's close enough.
National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cherokee County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Gilmer County in north-central Georgia, southeastern Floyd County in northwestern Georgia,
Oh, boy.
northwestern Dawson County in north-central Georgia, Gordon County in northwestern Georgia.
Some station is relaying something, but it's going on
Georgia, Bartow County
WGP.
in northwestern Georgia until 9 p.m.
I have to close the play
At
out.
8:36 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Calhoun to Shannon to near Lyndale, moving east at 55 miles per hour.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rome, Kenton, Cartersville, Calhoun, Jasper, Adelsville,
Where the heck did this thing...
Emerson,
Oh, I see
Cave
it.
Spring, White, Waleska.
I didn't think the storms were already
Plainville, Taylorsville,
getting this,
Talking Rock, Cheyenne, Cassville, Fairmount, and Ranger.
severe.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-674-4666 or tweet us your report at Atlanta.
Yes. Ooh.
I can't find my SD card. What's that?
I love how I just opened carrier for a bit. Tornado warning. No!
Is it actually an Mnet?
Issued for a tornado
The
warning.
National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cherokee County in north central Georgia, southwestern
Alright, I'm gonna have to use one of my
County in
SD
north
cards
central
because I just
Georgia,
can't find mine.
southeastern Floyd County in northwestern Georgia.
Actually, let me see if I can use.
Warning, I knew they were gonna issue. Gordon County in northwestern Georgia.
These were the names
in
on
north central Georgia. Barlow County in northwestern Georgia until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:36 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along
How is this full?
from Calhoun to Shannon to near Lyndale, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rome, Kenton, Cartersville, Calhoun, Jasper.
Oh, so that's the tides.
Emerson, Cave Spring, White, Waleska, Kingston, Lusaka, Plainville, Taylorsville,
I still can't find the SD card.
Cheyenne, Cassville, Fairmount, and Ranger. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-634-4666 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.
Go on. That's when it died right there. God dang it, man. I think I didn't.
Alright, and then I gotta do another thing with that's not right. That's an Alabama one, I think.
Well, let's see. Is it monitoring it again?
Alright, that's shows for properties. A45? Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yikes. Keeps crashing. Alright, I'll be right back.
Gordon County in North.
Wait, what? Hold on, who got that? That's an Alabama station relaying that.
What?
That's WCCV.
What?
WCCV serves Floyd and Bartow.
Do they relay? What station did they relay from?
KC80.
What?
Oh no, they got it from WWH23.
Oh, because
That's a WWH23 relayer.
WCCV is in Cartersville.
Hmm?
Yeah. They're a Christian radio station in Cartersville.
What?
What a surprise.
Wait a minute, is that... But that said it's an Alabama... Hold on. What the heck? Am I stupid? Something is relaying. Oh, I just got the four lights. I don't know what this is. Probably an Mnet.
The National Weather Weather
It's not.
Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Calhoun County, northeastern Cleburne County,
Why did I
southeastern
say-
Cherokee County, and northeastern
That was on
Alabama until 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time.
It was.
Oh my God.
At 7
WVOK is
Central
relaying
Standard
that.
Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Piedmont to near Fort McClellan, moving
Well,
at 55
this is like
miles
2
per
to-
hour.
I did not see that.
Hazard.
This is
60
3 minutes
miles
late,
per
so
hour
no.
wind gusts.
Stupid link.
Source.
This is like 4 minutes late.
Impact. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Anniston, Jacksonville, Piedmont, Fort McClellan, Fruithurst.
Well, at least we
Huntsville,
found some
Muscatine,
KH58
Pleasant
streamers.
Gap, Mars Hills, Sweet
And a WWH23 apparently.
Campground, Spring Garden, Liberty Hill, Oak Level, and Borden Springs. A tornado watch
Yep.
remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for northeastern and east central Alabama.
Are you? Oh yeah.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Well, aren't they
Repeating,
stupid?
a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Alabama: Calhoun, Cherokee, and Cleburne.
I just missed 2 relays up there.
Hey, Don, just monitor me. That way you don't have to like gather some. Thank you.
Oh, that's really quiet.
What, WVOK's relay?
Yeah. I think their stream is just kind of quiet.
Well, yeah, because my Sage didn't get it.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a flash flood warning for St. Clair County, northeastern Shelby County, until 2 a.m. Central
Uh-oh.
Standard Time Friday.
SVR.
Central Standard Time. Double the radar indicated. The National Weather Service
Oh, God.
Cherokee County in north central Georgia, southwestern Dawson County in north central Georgia.
Wait, did they just literally issue the same SVR?
Northern Bartow County in northwestern Georgia.
No, they just-
30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
I don't know.
9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from
Why aren't
White to near
you-
Kingston, moving east at 60
That explains
miles
it.
per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Jeez, the rain.
Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kenton, Cartersville, Jasper, Ball Ground, Nelson, White, Waleska, Kingston, Cassville, Buffington, Juneau, Talmadge, Tate, Funkhauser, Hinton, McKee, Lake Arrowhead, Marble Hill, Salicoa Valley, and Pine Long. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. 5 megahertz flooding. Weather service toll free at 1-866-7-634-4666. Tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 8 p.m. in Atlanta, U.S. cloud.
Domes hopes what they call a unique alliance of corporations.
Relative humidity. 14 miles an hour. To 26 miles an hour. Pressure was
Tide?
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Cherokee County in in north central Georgia, southwestern Dawson County in north central Georgia, Kings County in north central Georgia, northern Barlow County in northwestern Georgia, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Along a line at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
What am I doing?
Storms were located along a line extending from Blaine to near White to near Kingston, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Radar indicated hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Damage to roof. Source radar indicated. Impact expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kenton, Cartersville, Jasper, Ball Ground, Nelson, White, Waleska, Kingston, Cassville, Buffington, Juneau, Talmadge, Dayton, Lancaster, Hinton, McKee, Lake Arrowhead, and Pine Long. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. If you see damage,
What the heck?
Report at NWS Atlanta.
What is this? Where is WPGY? Oh, 1580.
Bruh.
Alright, here we go. Finally, I'm getting the Tides relay.
Oh no, I have so many.
Here we go.
Excuse me?
Aw. I thought I was gonna do the four lights again. You know what's surprising? BMX doesn't.
Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Cherokee County in north central Georgia, southwestern Dawson County in north central Georgia, Pickens County in north central Georgia, northern Barlow County in northwestern Georgia until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Blaine to near White to near Kingston, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kenton, Cartersville, Jasper, Ball Ground, Nelson, White, Waleska, Kingston, Cassville, Buffington.
Don, what's the second link?
Funkhauser, Hinton, McKee, Lake Arrowhead.
Yeah, the second link you said, the one that's Bardo only.
Pine Long. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then
What do you
call the
want?
National Weather
Who are
Service
you?
toll free at 1-866-7-634-4664. Tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.
Well, I'm gonna have to abandon this one because apparently.
Radar indicated.
Jesus, bro. Did not see this coming.
Oh, I did.
Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Douglasville, Decatur, Smyrna, East Point, Union City, Forest Park, College Park, Fairburn, Chamblee, Jorville, Austell, Hapeville, Lithia Springs, Chattahoochee Hills, North Decatur, North Atlanta, Hartsfield Jackson Airport, North Druid Hills, and Midtown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Due to the threat of severe weather, NOAA weather radio station KCC has interrupted its normal weather programming. We will resume normal broadcasting once the threat has passed. Visit our website at weather.gov. Atlanta for the latest weather information, including watches and warnings. At 10 p.m. in Atlanta, light rain was falling. 66 degrees. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central DeKalb County in north central Georgia, southeastern Cobb County in north central Georgia, eastern Douglas County in north central Georgia, southwestern Fulton County in north central Georgia, northwestern Clayton County in north central Georgia until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 10:47 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sweetwater Creek State Park to Camp Belton to Chattahoochee Hills, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Douglasville, Decatur, Smyrna, East Point, Union City, Forest Park, College Park, Fairburn, Chamblee, Jorville, Austell, Hapeville, Lithia Springs, Chattahoochee Hills, North Decatur, North Atlanta, Hartsfield Jackson Airport, North Druid Hills, and Midtown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Jorville, Austell, if you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664. Tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.